Hey there, this is Ryan with Slam Car Wash Marketing. We're going to be doing a little tutorial here to show you how to add a user on your Google My Business page. Nice and quick and easy to do. So for getting started, you're going to want to type in google.com/business, or you can go over here, just type in Google My Business, select the top, and you'll land in the same spot. So you're going to want to click Manage Now, and you will sign in, or in our instance, land right here, which is basically the main landing page for all of your wash locations. You'll see them listed here, one for each location, and if you don't have one, recommend adding it. But for now, we're going to quickly jump on down to our Google My Business page for Slam. Here's the dashboard, lots of really great tools and information here for your page, but today we're just going to click on Users, Add User, and then type in the account that you'd like to add. You're going to want to select the role, the owner. That's basically every single thing that you could possibly do on a page, plus add and remove users. And the manager has all of the above, except they won't be able to add and remove users. And there is one called Site Manager, and I would recommend clicking on here if you have any questions about what that does. But that's essentially it. Click Invite and then ask them to approve the invite via the email that they'll receive in their inbox. And that's it. They'll be able to log in, do whatever that you assign them to do, and you will be fine. But yeah, that's it for today. Like I said, nice and quick. Feel free to let us know if you have any questions at slamcarwashmarketing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick tips. And thank you for watching.